Welcome to Compare to Win. The best protein powder is probably one of the most talked about supplements for women looking to build muscle. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of protein powders, specifically formulated for women, exploring the key ingredients, benefits, and what to look for to maximize your muscle building potential and achieve your fitness goals. Number 5. Sports Research Collagen Peptides. This collagen powder is designed for both women and men. It provides essential protein and amino acids, promoting healthy nails and contributing to a more radiant and youthful skin appearance. It supports you from the inside out. The amino acids in this supplement are beneficial for joint health. It also enhances your body's response to intense exercise. This makes it an excellent post-workout supplement. Using this product is simple. Just add 1 scoop daily to your smoothie or coffee. It dissolves easily in water, and each serving contains only 40 calories. Each scoop of this collagen peptides powder offers 11 grams of low molecular weight type 3 and 1 hydrolyzed collagen peptides. It includes 18 amino acids, such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, with 10 grams of protein in every serving. We ensure our supplements meet high standards. This protein powder is certified paleo-friendly, keto-certified, and third-party quality tested. It's non-GMO and free from artificial flavors, sweeteners, and fillers. What we like? This collagen powder supports healthy skin and nails, giving you a radiant appearance. It also aids in joint health, making it perfect for post-workout recovery. If you are looking for a supplement that supports both beauty and fitness, you should consider this. What people say. The product works. The product helps with muscle gain. Number 4. Sunwarrior Warrior Blend Vanilla Vegan Protein. This is the Warrior Blend, an organic vegan protein powder. It's packed with amino acids and energizing medium-chain triglycerides. It's a creamy blend that's easy to digest. Enjoy all the benefits of whey protein without the discomfort. This vegan organic plant protein powder is made from nutrient-dense hemp seed and pea protein complex. It's designed to help you feel your best. Athletes and health enthusiasts love this clean vegan protein powder. It's a low-carb formula made without added sugar, soy, GMOs, gluten, or dairy. It helps fuel your body. It's time to ditch the traditional formulas with hidden fillers and artificial additives. Embrace a truly healthy, plant-based protein powder. It is made with your health in mind. Sunwarrior ensures every ingredient is of the highest quality. You deserve clean, quality products with no shortcuts. This product is designed for the active warrior in you. What we like? This vegan protein powder provides all the benefits of whey protein without the bloat. It's packed with muscle-nourishing amino acids and made with clean, simple ingredients. If you are a vegan athlete or someone who values clean eating, you should consider this. What people say. The product works. The product helps muscle gain. Number 3. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder. This is Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate. It's a 5G daily creatine supplement for both men and women. It's also vegan-friendly and third-party tested. This pure creatine monohydrate powder is perfect for pre- or post-workout. It mixes easily in almost any liquid and can be combined with your other favorite supplements. Creatine monohydrate is the gold standard for supplements. Hundreds of studies prove its effectiveness for athletes and gym-goers. It's the most researched form and proven to enhance performance and muscle building. Supplementation with this product increases strength, power, and muscle growth. Its versatile properties make it a must-have for active individuals. Be careful of cheap creatine powders. This high-quality product is rapidly absorbed and won't cause discomfort. It is made with pure ingredients. All Jacked Factory products are made under strict quality control. This formula is free of harsh chemicals, fillers, and artificial dyes. You can trust it. What we like? This creatine monohydrate powder is scientifically proven to enhance athletic performance and muscle building. It's a must-have supplement for anyone engaging in demanding training. If you are looking to boost your strength and power, you should consider this. What people say. The product works. The product helps with muscle gain. Number 2. Or organic vanilla plant-based protein powder. This plant-based protein powder is designed for both men and women. It provides a balanced amino acid profile to support lean muscle building and post-workout recovery. It's a convenient way to boost your daily protein intake. With 23 grams of protein and only 3 grams of net carbs, this product is entirely vegan. It includes 19 superfoods and all essential amino acids. This helps you get the most out of your workout. This product contains no added sugars or sugar alcohols. Sweetened with stevia and monk fruit extracts, it's safe for everyone, including pregnant mothers. It's suitable for all ages. The protein powder blends easily and tastes great on its own or in recipes. Parents can add it to smoothies with fruit and nut butter for a nutritious treat for kids. The formula uses high-quality organic pea and rice protein, plus superfoods and digestive enzymes. This helps eliminate bloating and maximizes protein absorption. It is designed to be gentle on your stomach. This protein powder is an effective mass gainer. It supports muscle development and recovery, helping you reach your fitness goals. It's a delicious and easy way to get your protein. What we like. This plant-based protein powder offers a complete amino acid profile and is designed to be gentle on sensitive stomachs. It also has a delicious taste that complements various recipes. If you like a protein powder that is both effective and enjoyable, you should consider this. What people say. The product works. The product is good. Number 1. Peach Perfect Creatine Blend for Women. This is a unique blend designed specifically for women. It combines micronized creatine monohydrate, BCAAs, and collagen to support your fitness goals. This supplement is made to help you achieve the best results. The creatine supports muscle growth, especially in the glutes. The BCAAs aid in muscle recovery, and the collagen promotes skin health. It's a comprehensive formula to help you feel and look your best. Enjoy the delicious pink lemonade flavor, which is easy to drink. The micronized creatine monohydrate dissolves completely, so there's no chalky texture. It's a convenient and enjoyable way to fuel your workouts. The micronized creatine monohydrate ensures high dissolvability, reducing bloating. This creatine is 250% finer than traditional monohydrate. It supports energy and muscle function, helping you achieve your goals. Supplementing with this product can increase your strength and power. This allows you to lift heavier weights and push harder during workouts. The BCAAs help you recover quickly, and the collagen provides added skin benefits. Peach Perfect uses high-quality ingredients and is manufactured in a NSF-certified facility in the USA. The product is tested for purity, potency, and metals. If you're not satisfied, they will help resolve your concern. What we like. This creatine blend is specifically formulated for women, supporting glute strength and muscle recovery. It comes in a refreshing pink lemonade flavor and includes BCAAs and collagen for added benefits. If you are a woman looking to enhance your workouts and support your glutes, you should consider this. What people say. The product works. The product helps with muscle gain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.